Afternoon everyone, it's Rachel here and we are just doing a very quick Etsy update. So I finally have put in the Gorgeous Stitching Kit 1 of, I've already got the fabrics and I've now put together the digital kit. I can't get my words out, I'm rushing. So there, I don't know how many pages there are, we'll count them. I can't remember, I think there's 11. So they are collage pages, wonderful to use for anything really. So really pretty pages. Everything in these are mine. They're all mine except for maybe that lace. That's not mine. So all things that I own that I have been collecting over years, except for that, yes. And I really love it. It's kind of all like embroidery patterns, old embroideries, wallpapers, and that sort of thing. These are from an Italian magazine from 1870. Beautiful antique French fabrics I have from the early 1800s. Very old Italian, that's on hemp. It's beautiful. An old Italian stitchery that I have. And that is the last one. So really pretty fun kit to play with. And I have the panels. I don't have the meter each at the moment. It's sold out pretty quickly, and so that will be back in stock when I come back from Australia. So I hope you enjoy those. Another fun little kit to play with. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful time, and I will see you again soon. Bye.